So today we're going to learn how to make cheese for Shavuos. So I have here my boiling hot pot of milk, which our mommies are going to help us. I have here a little bit of salt, a little bit of vinegar, and I have here a strainer and a cheesecloth. You can use any towel or a strainer. We're going to learn how to make cheese and how to make plastic, and they're both very easy. So in order to make cheese in plastic, the first thing you have to do is pour the vinegar into the milk. Wow, and I'm going to pour salt just to make the salt taste good. Whoa, and I'm going to mix it. Wow. The milk is curdling. Do you see? It's splitting into cheese. Wow. Now, if I take this curdled milk, vinegar milk, and I pour it through the strainer, and then I squeeze out all the extra liquids, and I squeeze it with a milk cloth or a towel or something, a thin towel, I will land up with cheese. This is going to be very delicious cheese. Okay, friends, now that I put it through a strainer, I put it through a cheesecloth, or you could take anything that's a cloth, and we're going to squeeze out the excess liquid. We're going to squeeze it out. We're going to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. It's a little hot, so I'm going to use paper towels to help me squeeze. And what's going to be left is going to be real cheese. Wow. And we're going to get to taste it. So we're just going to do a little bit more squeezing. Wow, friends. Now that I'm done squeezing, whatever's left is going to be cheese. Now, I just did a cup of milk, so it's less cheese. But if you use more milk, then you'll have more cheese. Let's see, and then we're going to be able to eat it. Yum! I'm going to put it on a plate and show you. Okay, friends, so I have my plate, and I'm going to take out my cheese. I'm going to put it on my plate. Delicious! Wow, do you see the cheese that I made? Let's taste it. We're going to say a bracha and taste it. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam she'hakol niyeh b'dvaro. Tastes just like real cheese. And do you know you can make plastic from cheese also? If you put in a little bit more vinegar into the mixture and you squeeze it out, make sure there's no water. You put it through extra paper towels to make sure there's no water, which is what we're going to do now. Extra paper towels to make sure there's no water. Now we're going to take our shape and we're going to put it through the paper towel just like this. Wow. In 24 hours or 48 hours, I could come back, open up the paper towel. We're going to have plastic. You can paint the shape, you can color it, and you can have so much fun with it. So these are two experiments: to make cheese, to make plastic.